Hi there, Robin here from Expert On. Today we've got a tip for you, and it has to do with cables. 1/4-inch cables, either balanced or unbalanced, TR, TRS style cables. And it's a problem that happens quite often because we either forget, one, to turn the speaker off, and I bet you know where we're going now, or we forget to turn the volume down, and we go hook up the speaker, get to our mixer, get to our guitar, go to do the connection, and boom, big noise, big grounding sound out of it. Like, oh my gosh, did I damage the speaker? Or people in the audience are like, yee, what was that? So what happens, what are we talking about, is when you take a cable and you plug it into a speaker that is on, and in this case we only have it at 3, because if we had it at 10 this would be ferocious, huge sound. I come up to the mixer and I go, oh my gosh, there we go, got it in quick. But what if I fumbled with it? What if it was dark? And that's horrible. You don't want to do that. You never want to do that. And it's an accident. I mean, you didn't turn the speaker down, that's all it is, right? Or if you're a musician, you play a guitar, this is quite a common problem. You got to switch your guitars on stage, that sort of thing. You don't want to be turning all your equipment off and on if you don't have somebody else there to do that for you. So, how do you fix it? Well, you're thinking, well, I'll just get a balance cable. Well, balance cable is going to do this same thing. So, TRS cable. There you go. Same problem. If I miss, it's going to have the same issues to it. Why? Because I'm shorting out the actual circuit. I'm creating a problem here that I can't work around without having to turn the speaker down. But Neutrik, the cable connector manufacturer, the guys who make all the great connectors that we love to use, make a product that you can get either as just a connector and make it yourself. If you got really good cables, you can just reset it, or you can buy them finished, which is how we do it because we sell the cables themselves. The one we get here is from Digiflex because we're in Canada. We'll have links down below for where you can get it in the States. But what does this do? Take the regular connector here, plug this into your speaker. This end has a built-in switch, automatic. It will not allow this to be live until it is actually plugged into something. This could have been your guitar. In my case, it's the mixer. Plug it in, you think, oh, well, you know, that's magic. He did something. No, 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 it's not. This is not on until this collar is pressed. If I hold this collar down, problem. Let it go, let it do its job. Boom. Plugged in, no problem. Now remember, it's always best to hook up the regular connector to the speaker or your amp or whatever you have first. This allowing this guy to do his job when you plug it into your instrument, keyboards, guitar, mixer, controller, anything like that. So there you go. That's your tip of the day. Have a look at the links down below. They're no more expensive, like a couple of bucks more to buy this. And it comes in a right angle version too. So good way to go if you need to buy some cables. Well, that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. If you have, like I always say, thank you very much. I appreciate that. And you can watch some of the other videos that popped up on the screen. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.